You laugh loudly with friends, joking without thinking, but at home, you suddenly become quieter and careful. Then at work, your voice turns serious and controlled. Same person, different room, completely different personality. So here's a strange question most people ignore. Which one of those versions is the real you? The relaxed one with friends late at night, the quiet one sitting silently beside family, or the professional voice inside a meeting room? Most people believe personality is something fixed forever, something stable that never really changes much. But real human behavior doesn't actually work like that. Your personality quietly shifts depending on the environment. And the strange part is you rarely notice it. Your brain adjusts automatically before you even realize. One moment you're loud, expressive, completely relaxed. Next moment your posture straightens, your voice becomes controlled. Psychology actually has a simple explanation for this shift. Your mind constantly switches between different social roles. Think of it like changing masks in different situations, not fake masks, but adaptive versions of yourself. Around friends, your brain activates the relaxed social role. You joke more, speak freely, and show playful energy. But around authority, another role quietly activates. Your tone becomes respectful, careful, and slightly reserved. The fascinating part is how automatic this process becomes. Your brain predicts what the group expects from you. Then it adjusts behavior to match that expectation, often within seconds without conscious effort. Imagine walking into a room of close friends. Your shoulders relax and your laughter appears instantly. Now imagine entering a serious office meeting instead. Your body language immediately becomes more formal. Same brain, same person, completely different expression. Because your mind holds multiple identity patterns and social signals activate them like hidden switches. A different tone of voice appears automatically. Your words change, your gestures change, even your posture, almost like a control panel switching personality modes. Social mode activates when you feel relaxed and accepted. Professional mode activates when expectations become formal. Private mode appears when you are alone with yourself. Most people assume this means they are inconsistent, but the truth is actually far more interesting. Human personality was never designed to stay rigid. Flexibility is how humans survive complicated social environments. Your brain constantly adapts so you can belong everywhere. Different groups require slightly different versions of you. So the real pattern starts to become clearer now. Personality is not one fixed identity locked forever. It's a system of roles your brain manages quietly, a flexible set of behaviors shaped by context, each version responding to different social signals, each one helping you navigate human relationships smoothly. Which brings us back to that strange question. If you have multiple versions of yourself, which one is the real you? Maybe the answer is simpler than we think. The real you isn't just one personality. The real you is the ability to adapt, the awareness behind all those changing roles, the mind that can move between them naturally. And once you notice this pattern clearly today, something interesting begins to happen inside. You stop worrying about which version is correct. Instead, you start understanding how your mind works, and that awareness quietly changes how you see yourself. Because maybe identity was never meant to stay fixed. Maybe it was always meant to evolve with context. If this perspective made you see yourself differently today, subscribe to ThoughtMargin for more ideas like this.